started with R, and with the help of using ChatGPT. So for this workshop, I'm intentionally to make it like very simple, to make it like very like for people who are like truly are beginners. But I think the skills that you're going to learn from this workshop can apply to any level of how to use ChatGPT to help you generate art code. So first of all, what is ChatGPT? I'm sure like we have heard about ChatGPT for like the most recent years. And I actually asked ChatGPT this question: what is ChatGPT? It gives me a bunch of text, but I think it's helpful that like it tells me us like ChatGPT can understand and generate text in natural language, makes it useful for a wide range of application, including answering questions, generating text, providing explanation, and engaging in text-based conversation. I want to emphasize for our workshop, yes, ChatGPT is very helpful and it's commonly used for text generation, but certainly we can use ChatGPT for code generation, and not just for our code. I think ChatGPT is most useful or most knows most about Python code, but I think it's good enough that it can help us to generate our code too. And before the workshop, I want to like mention 2 points. Use of ChatGPT should follow any policy of the school, of your instructor, and or any relevant organization or workplace that you work for in the future. So that means like you need to think about is there any like plagiarism problem kind of thing. And then secondly, ChatGPT might generate false, inaccurate information that you need to think about it before you actually use the information it provides. So I'm sorry, is there a question?
Yes, I have a question. So to make sure that it's not like generating a false code or something like that, so we just try it on R, or how do we know?
So for code generation, it's easy. Like and I don't think, sorry, let me go back. I don't think like it will be that wrong or that false or that inaccurate like when it generate code. But when you use it for text generation, for example, it will provide you a citation that with an article that never exists, things like that. So you need to like double check if you're not sure exactly how what it's generated by ChatGPT.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, and please stop me at any time if you have a question or type your question in the chat. So in this workshop, with writing effective ChatGPT prompts, we can perform the following tests that I'm going to show you. We will do the data import and then do some like descriptive statistic data exploration, and then third, like do some data cleaning and data manipulation with dplyr package. And then lastly, do some data visualization with ggplot2 package. And this is the data set that I'm going to like, just a demonstration purpose. It's from Kaggle. And Kaggle, it's a website that has a lot like data set that uploaded by user. That website, like mainly it's used for people want to practice their skills on machine learning or deep learning, but it also contains some simpler data set like the one that we're going to use today. And I want to say that like Kaggle has a good resource to download data set for practice, but I don't recommend it to use the dataset over there for any of your research question or research projects. And also I know that it might be hard for you to like follow every step that I do for this workshop. So I kind of like do not recommend you to like download the data set and then follow me. Because this will be recorded. You can follow my step like after this workshop.
Will the recording be posted in our with our instructor, or to be sent?
Jenny, like when I know it's going to be posted.
It'll be posted on the Inside Brown Stat Lab website.
Thank you. So I'll just go to the website and to be there. Thank you.
Yeah. So because I said that this workshop is intent for very beginners. So maybe some of you do not know these two packages that I'm going to use. So first of all, the dpyre package is commonly used package for data management and manipulations. And it has some common function. Mutate is used for like generate new variables. Select is to select some new select certain column of your data set. And then filter is filter certain observation according to the value and something like that. And then I want to mention one thing is you will see something looks like this, the percentage, and then percentage size, larger size, and then percentage size. It's called a pi operator. It's commonly used in the dpyre package and also the ggplot2 package. It like changes up the step that we wanted to use. You might see it may make more sense when you see the real example. And if you want to know more detail, because of time, I cannot introduce more about this package. You can go to this website for more detail. And then next is the ggplot2 package. It's a common use package for data visualization. So it's making like scatter plots, bar chart, line chart, and more, like any graph that you can think of. And also you can go to their own page. It has like a lot more detail in introduction about the package. So this is a brief introduction of like what we are going to do for this tutorial or workshop. Let's go to let's start the actual tutorial. So I have opened up my R Studio. I will create a new R Markdown file. And in case you are not familiar with R Markdown file, it's kind of like a script that you can like save all your code. And in the future, you can just rerun them. And I usually just delete all this. So I think I'm ready for the Art Studio part. And then next I will go to log in my ChatGPT account. I already logged in, and I think it's easy. I think of course everyone can get like free ChatGPT account, and I think it's as easy as like you just log in with your Gmail account. So anyway, so I already in my account here, and this is the interface, and in the left you can see that there's some like previous check that I make with ChatGPT. It's good because like later if I have like, oh, ChatGPT has previously told me something that I forgot, I can always go back to those conversations. And then I want to grab your attention to here in the bottom left with the three little dots, and click on it. You can see a custom instruction. Click on it. So this is a relatively new thing. I think it's like less than a year thing called custom instruction. It's basically telling ChatGPT, what do you want ChatGPT to know about you? for better response. What does it mean? Like, for example, you can tell ChatGPT that I'm making this up. First year MPH student and a beginner of R. I would like to have extra explanation of the code. Yeah, something like that. And I think it's more helpful when you use it for like text generation. But yeah, basically like it also like give you some like hint that like, for example, what goal do you have? Like for example, I can say that I want to learn R in 1 month, something like that. And then let me copy it. And then the next part is how would you like ChatGPT to respond? And this is more for text generation than code generation. It will be like something like how formal or casual do you want ChatGPT be? Then you can put something like I want your answer to be academic formal, something like that. And then at the end you will save it. Once you save it, any new check from now on that you have with a new conversation that you have with ChatGPT will consider what you put in here. You don't need to like tell them every time that, oh, I'm a first year MPH student and I want to learn art, something like that. So I'm not going to save it for my account, but you can do it when you're ready to do your to like set up your account. So I will start a new check and then I will paste the things that I just told ChatGPT. Because like I didn't save it in the custom instruction, so I do need to tell ChatGPT what's my goal, where's my background, something like that. So I'm a first year MPH student, beginning of R. I would like to have extra explanation of the code. And of course, our ChatGPT is like very friendly and say that, oh, sure. So like I said in my PowerPoint that I will start with data import. The cargo data set that I downloaded, it's actually, let me show you the page. It's this data set and you will know like some brief explanation of the like kind of the code of what variable inside that data set. And then you also know that the thing that you downloaded is the CSV file. So I'm always try to like give ChatGPT as many information as I could. So I will say that I am going to import a CSV file into R. How should I do it? Yes. So then ChatGPT give us a like a very long output. Is that like prepare your CSV file, which I already have, and then set your working directory if necessary. And then the next step, this is the real thing. This is the real code that you kind of want ChatGPT to like generate it for you, to tell you how to do it. So I will go back to my R Studio and then create a new chunk. It's a good practice that always command your R markdown file. So I will say that this new first chunk is data import. And I'm going to set my working directory. I just like this way because I don't need to type the path. But certainly you can type your path. So here, so that's my working directory. And then go back to ChatGPT. I want this code. So I can, yeah, it has the function here that you can just copy code. It, of course, you can just highlight it and then like copy here, but you can also do it here. Paste. And of course, this is not the name of my file. My file is called BMI. And I want to call my data set as also BMI. So hit run. Yes. Then now I know my BMI dataset has been imported into RStudio. And then I just want to confirm that like it has been imported correctly. So I want to see, let's say I want to see the first 10 row of the of my dataset. Actually, ChatGPT already tell me that you can display the first few row of your data. But because I said that I want the first 10 row, so I will type my question. How can I show the first 10 row? Yes, it will give us the same command, which is the head, but this time because I said that I wanted the first 10, so it will make the justification to tell me the first 10. And also, think about it. I have changed my dataset name as BMI instead of the data thing, which is like kind of like the placeholder that ChatGPT assumed that I call my dataset called data. So I can tell ChatGPT that I have renamed my dataset as BMI and see what it will do. Yes, it will change it to the name that I have changed it already. And from now on, all the code that it generates, ChatGPT knows that I call my dataset BMI instead of data. So I will copy this code and then paste it. And then run this line. And it looks good. It looks normal. That I know that I have an age column, a height, weight, BMI, and the first 4 are numerical continuous variable, and then the last one, BMI class, is a categorical variable. So it looks good. So I can move on to next step, produce some descriptive statistic and export my data. So again, I like to put the comment in so that you won't forget what's this trunk for. Actually, any questions so far? Okay, good. Let's go back to here. Okay, so next up, because I know that I want some descriptive statistic, and I know that in my data set, I have numerical variable and categorical variable. So one thing I want to point out is before you use ChatGPT to help you generate R code, I think you should like know about your data set, like, and also like have like some preliminary goal that you want to achieve for your exploration. So for now, for example, I want to, how can I produce descriptive statistic for my numeric variables. Let's say I'm only interested in my numeric variable for now. And then let's look at the response. So it looks like I can just use this summary thing, this summary, and then my data set name. And then it will provide the minimal first quintile, blah, 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 this thing. So I think in general, ChatGPT did a very good job on explaining, like, it's not just generating the code for you, but also like give you some brief explanation of what is this code doing. And for sure, if you have like further question, you can like ask ChatGPT, can you explain more on, like, for example, I don't know, I'm making this up. What do you mean the minimal of the data set? And then ChatGPT also give you the second option, which is using another package called Byte package. And then within Byte, you can use the describe function to produce the some descriptive statistic. So I think for right now, I will just use the summary statistic, summary function. Okay, it gives us like the first four variable, they are continuous and numerical. That's why you can have the mean, first quintile, median value. But the last one, because it's a categorical variable, it only tells you there's 741 observation in that column. Of course, you can do more here and in your like real research project, but I think it's good for right now. But I do have an additional question to ChatGPT. What if I only want to know the age and the height and weight variable instead of like giving me all the numerical variable of the data set? So I will ask, so how can I generate this statistic for multiple variables? Yep. It gives us if I go back to the summary function, it gives this way, like, I don't think it's the most effective way to do it, but for now you can just like do it like line by line to all your variable. But ChatGPT also introduced that, okay, if you want to have like a groups of variable, and you want to do it all at once, you can do it in this way. And so I will try it this way. And let's run. Okay, I don't have a package. Actually, this is a good thing that what if I do understand what's the problem here, the error message, but what if you don't understand the error message? You can also ask ChatGPT. So I'll copy this error message and tell ChatGPT that I received this error message. And it will solve the problem for me. I don't know like if ChatGPT can solve every problem or every error message, but for the most common problems, I think it's good enough to solve the problem. So I will copy this line and then install the package first before I put the library. Okay, I get another error message. And let's say I don't know why. I cannot figure out why. So again, I can ask ChatGPT, I get this error message. And then ChatGPT, it's trying to like figure out what is the problem. And I think the problem here is I need to verify the name of the column of your my data set, and which I do aware because R is case sensitive. And let's go back to the variable name, and you see that all of them has the uppercase the first letter is in uppercase, while my code, because it's generated by ChatGPT and it doesn't see my real data set yet, has the lowercase. So I need to make this change. But the point I'm making here is I think ChatGPT did a good job on detecting the error message and trying his best to like figure out how to solve the problem. Let me just run the below. Okay, this time, yes, I only get the first four numerical continuous variable and with the descriptive statistic. And you can do the same thing, ask ChatGPT to how to do descriptive statistic for categorical variable. But I will, because of time, I will skip it for now. So next step, we're going to have some data cleaning. Again, I like to have a common data cleaning. And then start a new trunk. And for data cleaning, let's look at the age thing. Actually, this is better. So because I already I know about the data set, and you should know about your data set when you're doing your research project or just a practice. So I noticed that for age, the youngest one are 15 years old, and then the oldest one is 61 years old. And what if I'm only interested in adult? I'm only interested to doing my data analysis, focusing on adult participants. So I do need to remove anyone that are younger than age 18. So how can I do that? I will ask ChatGPT. And also, like the example that we just have, ChatGPT tend to give you like multiple options. Like, for example, this one, it gives me like, you can use summary or you can use describe from the site package. Because I want to practice my skill on using the dplyr package, which is like very useful, powerful, and commonly used. So I will tell ChatGPT I want to use the prior package for the following tests. And in this way, ChatGPT will only give you the option using the dplyr package. And then, yep, sure. Like ChatGPT is like smart and trying to tell me like, introduce me like some common function that people use in the dplyr package. And I think their explanation with the example are very useful for beginners. And when you do your own data analysis, feel free take some time to like read through actually what ChatGPT has been generated. But for now, I'm going to skip it and say that I want to remove anyone from my data set who are younger than 18, because I only want adult observation. Then I know that I can use this function called filter. So let me copy the whole thing. So of course you need to like load your package first using the library command, and then create. Actually, I think ChatGPT give you some explanation. Yes, like create a resulting data frame called filtered data from our original data frame, which is called BMI, and then I filter anyone age are 18 or older. So this is what it means for this one line of code. So but also I know that because my variable name has the uppercase as the first letter, so I need to change that. How do I know it looks like it has been successfully generated, because looking at the environment pane, you can see that like the original data set has 741 observation. Now we down for 685 observations. And then what if, because the age is a continuous variable, but I want to make it categorical. So I said I want to make 4 age groups. And I need to tell ChatGPT like what are the range of my age groups. So I know my 4 age group is not evenly spaced out, but it's okay. You just need to like make your own decision, like what kind of like data manipulation that you want to make for your own data set. Yep. So now ChatGPT suggests me I can use the mutate and case when function. And like I said before, mutate is used for generating new variables. Because ChatGPT understand my age variable as like with the lowercase, I might need to change it all like by hand. But what if I just tell ChatGPT my age variable is called age with the uppercase? Yes, it will change it for me so that I don't need to do it manually. So because I already have the library command, so I'm not going to copy that one, but I'm just going to copy the lower part and go back to my RStudio. And I think it looks good. Let's oh, okay. So one more thing that ChatGPT doesn't know, it's smart, but it's also not smart enough. So ChatGPT doesn't know that I already have my new data set called filtered data. It's still using the old data set. So here I need to change it to the new data set that I already removed anyone that are younger than 18 years old. Okay, did that. And yeah, so now actually let's see how it looks like right now. I will use the command that ChatGPT earlier told us earlier and only show the first 10 row, first 10 observation. And yes, remember originally we only have like 5 variable, and then now we have the 6th variable, which is a categorical variable with called name age group. So you can do a lot more according to your own needs using the dpyre package, but we will move on for the last test that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, which is the data visualization using ggplot2. So again, I will command here and then create.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why for the last row, last column is all 50 plus? Why they don't show like the the group age?
Yes. So it just happened that the first 10 participant, they all age 50 plus. But if I look at the actual data set, yeah, like here, like people who are 48, it correctly categorized into 40 to 49 age group.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So lastly, I want to do some data visualization and sorry, I'm going back here. So one thing, because I know my weight and height both are continuous variable. So let's say I want to make a scatter plot using these 2 variable. So again, because I want to practice my skill on using ggplot2 package, I will tell ChatGPT I want to use ggplot2 package for the following test. And again, yeah, like ChatGPT is very helpful to like give us some like preliminary, that something that like it thinks will be helpful for me to create my graph. And also I'm not going to spend time here, but feel free to take a look at them when you do your own practice. So I know that I want to have a scatter plot. with weight and height. So I would say that I want to have or create a scatter plot with weight and height. Okay, so of course, as usual, it will tell us something like have like some explanation of the code that it generated. Because of time, I'm not going to look at it, but just copy the code and show what it's actually producing here. And again, remember to change your variable name, like correct your variable name. Okay, so it makes a graph looks like this. And you can like make your own like observation of like watching this graph, which is not the focus of this tutorial, but like you can see that it's not much information. You do have like your x-axis and y-axis, but basically I just want to have more information. So I will ask ChatGPT, I want to add a title and the label of my x and y axis, and see what ChatGPT think about and create it for me. Okay, so it created something. Let me copy that. And then oh, again, sorry. Remember to change the variable name. Or you can like tell the exact variable name to ChatGPT, and I think it will change it for me. Like, I don't need to do this manually every time. So now, oh, okay, I do have a title, and I do have the like the x-axis label and y-axis label. One thing I know it's wrong, because I know my data, it's the height there, it's not in centimeter, it's in meter. So I need to change that and then rerun it. And then now it looks correct. And more thing that the ggplot2 package can do. For example, what if I want to create the above graph by age group? Remember, we have created our age group, and see what I just want to know, like if there's like age group difference. So let's see. And now we get a new function called faucet wrap, and you can read through the explanation down there. I'm not going to spend time for now. Let me see what it created.
Before you run, can I ask a quick question?
Yes.
So it looks like we've been using the original data set rather than the filtered data set for the last few things. Was that on purpose?
Well, because some step here, I kind of like rename. So the very, very original data set, I name it as BMI. And then And then after I have my filtered data set, I like kind of like recreate or override the very original data set also as BMI. So from now on, I'm using the BMI data set, but it's like this data set is not the original data set anymore.
Okay, great. Just wanted to clarify that.
Yeah, it's a little bit confused, but it's just easier for demonstration. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Like I have some like different age group, plot, and then the faucet wrap function makes it like into like have like different subplot and then makes it as one whole graph. And I think it looks good. And then like some other function you can like ask ChatGPT to do is like change color or change the title position. You wanted to make it in the middle instead of like closer to the left, something like that. But you have a lot of like option or like ChatGPT can help you with that. So I know it's about time. The very last thing, my take-home message is you as the human need to make the decision. Like ChatGPT, I will just use it as a tool instead of like fully trust it. Like for example, you need to like make some little twist of the name of the variable, and then you know that like ChatGPT assume your height is in centimeter instead of meters. And but most importantly, like as human, you need to know that, for example, I want to produce this scatter plot instead of I don't know, a bar chart, using my statistical knowledge. So that's why I make this take-home message is like you need to make the decision. Just use ChatGPT as the tool. And that concludes my tutorial or workshops today. Well, thank you. And any questions?
I have a question.
Yeah.
So is like this software, will it like just be helpful? Should we like try first to learn how to code or just rely on it to the like to a certain extent?
Like you mean, do you need to know how to?
Yeah, because you know, I'm beginner, I'm learning how to code, and I just start to like it. So first was like a big thing for me, and then just giving me this like tool, it looks helpful. I did not try it yet, but when we should use it, like
Yep, I think I get your questions. So I think you do need to, although you are like very beginner of R, and I'm not sure if you are very beginner of like data analysis, but if so, you do need to know or understand like the very basic of like data analysis. Like for example, you can do know that data has like different data type, has numerical data, has like categorical data, things like that, in order for you to know that, okay, for numerical data, I can make something a scatter plot, those kind of thing. But after that, like after like you have some like basic knowledge of like data or statistical tests, you can use ChatGPT. Like you can say that, like ask ChatGPT and say that I want to perform a chi-square test of whatever variable kind of thing. But first of all, you need to you should know that there's something called chi-square test. Is it make sense? But I think it's very helpful to use ChatGPT to because like you see that my language is like very natural. I'm like kind of like just talking to a like a real person, that how can I create a graph by age group? How can I import the data set? And then ChatGPT will give me the code. So, and once like make sure you read the like the explanation from ChatGPT like beneath every code that it generated, so that like later you will know that, okay, GM point is the scatter plot command or function. You will get used to it.
Oh, thank you.
All right. That was amazing, Olivia. Thank you so much. And